Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Savannah if you're new here, and today I'll be showing you guys how I got this cute Bantu knot hairstyle, and I'll be showing you how I protected my hair as well as moisturized it. And this video is in partnership with Edge Entity. Super excited to be trying this out. For the very first time, I'll be giving you guys my first impressions. This is their follicle stimulant with coconut milk and peppermint, harmonizing healthcare and healthy hair care. Super nice. The scent is very minty, peppermint, fresh, kind of like a muscle rub. It does have a very strong scent, but it just awakens everything. So I'm really excited to give you guys the breakdown of this and my first impressions. I'll be doing a voiceover and popping in and out just because I needed to focus for this hairstyle. So I really hope you guys enjoy. So my hair is freshly washed. So yeah, let's get started. Sorry if my lighting looks really weird, but now that I sectioned off my little curl pieces that I want in the front, I think this is thin enough because I don't want it to look too crazy. I think we're pretty even. So now that I have this, I'm just gonna moisturize it. I'm gonna use the Curl Supreme by Trey Luxe. And now that that's out of the way, we can start the hairstyle. You know when you be feeling like you have way too much hair? Alright, so this was the hardest parting of my life. I still don't know if the back is completely straight. I'm just gonna get started. So I parted from ear to ear, and then I kind of just sectioned from there. I'll try to show you guys my sectioning once my hair is all braided. So I'm gonna start off with these pieces because I want them to dry and be as smooth as possible. So using the follicle stimulant, I'm just gonna go in like near my root. And then I'm going to go in with my Trey Luxe High Definition Curl Enhancing Styling Gel. This combo I use on my twists all the time, so I thought why not use it for my Bantu knots that I'm doing. Really just going to try to make sure to stretch my hair. I think for the sake of this video, I'm just going to start in the front. So I have my warm water here just to open up my cuticle and get the moisture in. I'm going to go in again with the follicle stimulant. I'm probably taking like this much. And just running that on my roots. And of course my edges. This isn't necessarily only for your edges. This can be used as a moisturizer as well, which is kind of what I'm using it for. And for, of course, protecting my hair. And just kind of get in there and make sure it's on your scalp. It has a really nice cooling effect. Then I'm going to go in with my styling hydrating cream from Trey Luxe. And also top that with the gel. I'm going to make sure to really get the cream in here. Just because when I do styles, it always feels like it's pulling right here. I have a super sensitive scalp. So it melts right into your hair just like butter. Like, it's all handmade with fresh ingredients, which is super important. When you're using things specifically for scalp care and growth and all that, you really want to make sure that you're using not only beneficial ingredients, but just ingredients that won't harm your hair and won't have negative effects later on. So the more natural the product is, the better. Okay, since this section is so big, I hate rubber bands, but I think I'm gonna go in with the rubber band just to get it as smooth as possible. Let's not talk about how much time I just wasted on this thick old section. Two down. Going in with that follicle stimulant again. I love that I'm able to apply the follicle stimulant right here, because this is what always bothers me when I do tight styles, so it feels so good already. I just thought about leaving a curl here, so maybe I'll be able to get one out on that side too. And then for my sides, it's just easier to braid without the rubber band. It's easier to grab. If you can do them all without a rubber band, then I would definitely recommend that. I made sure to apply the cream to each section thoroughly. With protective styles, I know it can be really easy to cause breakage if you're not being gentle or taking the right steps to protect your hair and scalp. So this cream definitely comes into play with taking care of that part. For the next sections, I'm going to continue doing the same thing, applying the stimulant first and then the styling cream to the rest of my hair. I also noticed when I was using the follicle cream, it definitely gave my scalp that nice healthy sheen. It has a nice lightweight consistency and it kind of melts as soon as you start to spread it on your hair. And it also dries completely transparent, leaving no white flaking or anything like that. It's super lightweight on the hair. Here I'm showing you guys my partings, and yes, the chunkier braids have a lot of product in them just because I had to wet them down more, but it will all dry nicely. My scalp is definitely tingling, but like it feels good. It's like that good refreshing feeling. So now I'm gonna start doing the Bantu knots. I'm going to use a rubber band just to hold it in place. And I'm just going to speed through this part just because it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just wrapping my hair into almost like a bun. So far, so cute. And then I'm going in with my Aunt Jackie's Slicked Edge Control, just laying down all my baby hairs, and then I'm going to start unraveling my front curls. Now that they're 100% dry, make sure to not take them out unless you know for sure that they are dry. And then I'm going in and clipping down the root just so it can lay flat on my face. So we're here with the final look. I love how this hairstyle came out. I wanted like a soft beach wave, which I probably could have gotten if I twisted my hair around the flexi rod while I was wrapping it. That gives more like a loose look. It's not what I envisioned for these little pieces, but nonetheless, it came out super cute. I'll definitely be trying it the other way as well. Like different ways to curl these front pieces, just have a looser curl pattern. But let me show you guys the back. So So super cute, super fun. I wanted to add something a little bit different to Bantu knots. I know my partings aren't perfect, but as long as the front looks good and everything else is decent, you're good to go. So my final thoughts on this product was that it's very strong. You do not need a lot at all, and this is not only for your edges. Like I said, you can work this all throughout your scalp, and this works as a really good moisturizer, and it just helps promote healthy hair by stimulating your hair follicles. It'll help with growth. So for me, I'm not really concerned with growth. Like I said, I do have these sections right here that get snagged on a little bit and are very sensitive, so I'm sure this is doing the job of protecting these sensitive spots really well. So this is not only good for people who want to see growth but also want to protect their hair. So I think everyone should, of course, I always try to say that please protect your hair when doing any type of sleek style, any style really. Make sure to protect your hair. These ingredients are really good. A lot comes in one of these mini, it looks like a mini jar, but a lot comes in it. It's 2 ounces, but like I said, you don't need a lot, so this will last a really long time. If you have protective styles in frequently, you can definitely go in and touch in your scalp with this product. It just feels so, like, you know, refreshing and good. It makes me feel like my scalp is super clean, and it feels like my scalp is going to work, telling my hair to grow. And just trust me, if you get this, you'll know the feeling. It feels so good. It just puts me in a relaxed mood, a zen, you know? You can't go wrong with something that has beneficial ingredients and promotes healthy scalp and hair. So make sure to check it out. I will of course have everything linked down below where you can find this for yourself. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you guys think down below. If you'll be trying out this hairstyle, definitely make sure to tag me on Instagram at SP Style, and I'll catch you guys there. Also make sure to subscribe, of course, like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.